basic commands of MySQL, right? So I have a table worker. In worker table, we have a data like first name, last name, salary, joining date, and department. So first command is order by ascending or descending, right? Suppose if we want to get the data on the basis of salary, ascending. So what will be the query? Query will be like select asterisk from worker order by salary ascending. So इस वाली query का जो output होगा, the output will be this. You can see the salary is ascending order. Now, if I want to salary in descending order, then the statement is select asterisk from worker order by salary descending. Then the output will be in descending order, right? So now next command is limit. Why we use limit? Suppose if I want to get the data from first row to third row, then I will use the limit command. Select asterisk from worker limit 0, 3. What will be the output for this? This is our main table. Monica, Niharika, Vishal. So the output will be Monica, Niharika, and Vishal, right? Now, if I want to get second and third row only, then the query will be select asterisk from worker limit 1, 2. That is Niharika and Vishal, right? So next is substring. Why we use substring? Suppose if you want to get the first three character of first name. First name is a column of worker table, right? So the query is select substring first name 1, 3 from worker. So the output will be MON, this is the main table, MONNIH, right? So if I want to get the last three character of first name, then the query will be select substring first underscore name comma minus 3 comma 3. Okay, minus 3 denotes AKI. So my I, it will start from I and up to 3 means IKA, right? So next one is suppose if I want to find the position of an alphabet, right? There is a name like Amitabh. So I want to find the position of alphabet small a. Then the query will be select string first underscore name comma binary a. So what will the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So जो output है अपना क्या होना चाहिए 5, 5, right? So next command is replace command. Why we use replace command? Suppose if I want to replace a name, right? So this is a main table. Now I want to replace a Monica name with Kapil, right? Then the command is select replace column name, Monica name and Kapil. Kapil जिसे हम replace करना चाहते हैं, जिसे हम replace करना चाहते हैं from worker. Then the output is Kapil, right? So why we use like command? Next command is like. So now we want to get the first name like KA, having KA. So the command is select asterisk from worker where first underscore name like percentage KA. So Monica, Niharika, and Gitika, right? Suppose if I want to get the first name starting with MO, so here is like MO percentage, and the output will be Monica. Now, if I want to get the first name and with AL, so AL percentage should be starting, and the output will be Vishal, right? Now, between, why we use between? Suppose if I want to find the salary between 50,000 and 2 lakh, then the command is select asterisk from salary between 75,000 and 2 lakh, and output is this 75. Sorry, I think this is not the command. Sorry, this is 20 lakh. It should be 2 lakh. So the output is this: 75, 90, 2 lakh, 80,000, and 1 lakh. Right? If I want to in ascending or descending order, then we can write order Y salary ascending. Now in and not in. Suppose if I want to get the salary in 75 and 2 lakh, right? And not in, it will give all the records except 75,000 and 2 lakh. Thank you.